Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Azrael Vigo Pratama and I am thrilled to share my thoughts on inclusive education in Indonesia. This is an important topic because it represents our collective effort to provide equal opportunities for all children, regardless of their abilities or background. Today, I will talk about my personal opinion, impression, hopes, self-improvement goals, and suggestions on how we can improve inclusive education in our country. I hope this discussion inspires you to think about the role we all play in making education accessible to everyone. Let's get started. First of all, I truly believe that inclusive education is one of the most significant steps toward achieving equality in learning. It allows children with special needs to study together with their peers in regular school, helping them feel accepted and included. This approach not only benefits for the student with special needs but also helps their peers to develop empathy and understanding. However, there are still many challenges. For instance, there is a shortage of trained teachers who understand how to handle diverse classroom situation effectively. Additionally, the facilities in many schools are not equipped to accommodate students with special needs, which can hinder their learning process. My impression of inclusive education policies in Indonesia is that they are a step in the right direction. The government's commitment to this cause is commendable, as seen in the efforts to increase the number of inclusive schools. However, the implementation still faces limitations. The involvement of communities, parents, and educators must be strengthened to ensure the success of this program. Personally, I feel inspired by the potential of inclusive education to transform lives, but I also recognize the need for continuous improvement. Looking for the future, my hope is that every child in Indonesia, regardless of their physical, mental, or social abilities, can enjoy quality education without discrimination. Education should be a tool to empower, not exclude. When I become a teacher, I aim to create a classroom that fosters a sense of belonging for every student. I want to ensure that all children feel valued, capable, and motivated to reach their full potential. I believe that a truly inclusive classroom will prepare students to live in a diverse society where everyone respects each other's difference. To achieve this goal, self-improvement is essential. I plan to attend workshops and training sessions on inclusive teaching methods. By learning more about the challenges faced by students with special needs, I can develop strategies to address their unique requirements. For example, I will study techniques for differentiated instruction and how to adapt lesson plans to suit the varying abilities of my students. I also intend to collaborate with other teachers and experts in special education to broaden my perspective and enhance my skill. Finally, I would like to suggest a fifth step to improve inclusive education in Indonesia. First, the government should increase funding for inclusive schools to ensure that they have adequate facilities and research. This includes providing special teaching tools, accessible infrastructure, and sufficient support staff. Second, teacher training programs must prioritize inclusive teaching skills, so all educators feel confident and capable of addressing the diverse needs of their students. Third, school, parents, and communities should work together more closely to create supportive environment for inclusive education. By, by fostering collaboration, we can build a system that benefits for everyone. In conclusion, inclusive education is not just about allowing children with special needs to attend school. It's about creating a society that values and respects everyone. While there are a challenge, I believe that with collective effort, we can overcome them and build a brighter future for all of students. Uh, Thank you for taking the time to listen. I hope this discussion has inspired you to reflect on the importance of inclusive education. Together, let's work toward a world where every child has the opportunity to succeed. I think that's all for my explanation. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.